Hi, in this tutorial, we will going to talk about the lookup transformation and the OLE DB command transformation using the SSIS. The lookup transformation, you can perform a lookup on a data in course of a task. Reference data from any OLE DB source, or even you can use Excel source. Here in this tutorial, I will going to use this Excel sheet as my as a source, and I have a table here. Select everything from player list. This is my destination. What the lookup is gonna do is, let me just reverse this and delete this. This is what I have right now. Both the source and destination, if you guys see, both they have same data right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some changes here on this last name for Jack and turn the status to update and insert a new row. Lookup is going to look at each row and see if any update occurred. So it will update the destination based on the source using the player ID to match their records. And if there is anything in a source that is not in destination, I will going to insert everything. So in my example here, let me and here where I'll say this is update. I'm going to use this name Melvin and you. I don't need to put the player ID because here it's identity to 1, so it will increase automatically. So this is uh, my source. It has been updated. So my lookup is going to check each name. So it will find here that Jack Mail, it's being changed into Jack Milan. So it will update the last name and turn the status into update. And here it is not gonna find the player ID 5. So it will insert the player ID here with a new row that's been already come from the source. So let's come here, create a connection manager for the source. The layer list, and let me drag and drop it here. This is a player list. Press OK, and I'm going to use the lookup. In a lookup, I'm going to, if you come here, this is in case if you want to ignore, in case if you are if it's like result is matching what you want from row to do. Like for my example, I'm going to redirect the row to no match output, and in case if there is a match, I need you to update. If there is not match, if if it's match between the player ID, I need you to update anything just in case if there is any changes. If it doesn't match, that's mean what I have here, it doesn't exist here. I need you to insert. So I'm going to redirect the rows. Here in the connection, here where you're going to select your destination. Let me see, I didn't create my destination yet. We do the process here, connection here, it says simple tag. If you want to select the whole table, you can simply come right here, go to player list. If you want to use a query, you can use here. If you want to specify or you want to build your query, simply you can come here and build your query in case if you don't want to select everything. But what I need is everything in the table right here. I have the table. This is what I have here in a table, which is it's different from the source. And in the columns, I will going to use a player ID. The column does not exist. Oh, here I have the column in Excel is created as a float. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to convert it into int because the column here it's used as int. The column here is int. So it's asked me to convert it. See guys, it's float. So I'm going to convert it into integer. Okay. Come back again. Redirect rows. And here select my destination, which is the player list. And I'm going to map it. Oh, sorry. It's this one. Okay. Now I'm going to use this column that I have in the source with a destination. Press OK. And here in OLE DB command, this is where I'm going to, in case if there is any match rows, if it's match, between the player ID and the source and destination, I need you to do perform the update. The update, I'm going to write it down here in a SQL. How the update statement will be, it will say, because this is a dynamic update, so it will be like this: update player list set the first. Just let me first name equal. The question mark is mean this is where it's be the dynamic update, and the last name equal the question mark. Guys, there is a lot of trick you need to learn. Here, I will number it, and then later you will know why I numbered my statement. 0, 1, last name, I have the status equal question mark as well. 2, where the player ID equal question mark. And the last one doesn't have any comma. And this statement, you will going to copy it and come to OLE DB command. Here in OLE DB command, first of all, I will going to select my connection manager, the destination, and go to component properties, go to SQL command, paste your statement here. Make sure you know the numbers in sequence 0, 1, 2, and because you will going to use it right here in column mapping. In column mapping, see guys, the prime 0, it's for first name, and the prime 1 is for the last name, prime 2 is for the status, prime 3 is for player ID. This is exactly how you can map it, just like, let me make it more small. Right here, the first name, make sure it's right. Last name status, yes, is right. Press OK. This is in case if I have a matching records between the source and destination using the player ID. But in case if I have not no matching records, so what I need is I need to insert everything using the destination, look up no match output. This is where is my player list will be. Make sure the mapping is right. Oh, I'm going to ignore this row because this is identity. And now let's run it and see. Cool. See guys, I have 4 rows. It's been matched. I have 4 rows in originally at the beginning, and they've been matched with my destination, except one it's not matched, which is right here. Let's go to run my query and see what I have here. See guys, this is where I have exactly the source is. The last name has been changed to Milan and the status is update, and I have a new record has been inserted, which is and well, the status turns into new. So this is how you can use your lookup transformation and OLE DB command. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video and see you for next videos. Thank you.